YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy D Lee. The video topic for today and what I really want to talk about is patience, and specifically patience when it comes down to dealing with women. You know, a lot of cats out here, mess themselves up, just by not understanding how to be patient and how to gauge and how to guide an interaction with the girl. Guide their courtship situation with the girl. Like, you know what I'm saying? Most of y'all have y'all's foot in the door with a particular girl, and just by overdoing something or not knowing what to do, or not like gradually escalating the situation, you turn a girl off, or you talk her right out of, or text her right out of liking you. You know what I'm saying? I see it all the time, man. What y'all gotta understand, for all of my sports lovers, particularly the basketball lovers, what you have to, or even the football lovers, I'm gonna break this down in a way I feel like y'all will get it. Us as a man, it's our job to lead a courtship, lead a romantic interaction with the girl. Like, it's our job to lead. Most times, most girls, they just want to look pretty and show up. Like, you know what I'm saying? And hope that a guy can show them a good time and be fun to be around. But for us, it's our job to lead it and guide it. And if you don't understand, how to gauge and how to really maneuver, you're going to fuck up a lot of your situations. Like, you know what I'm saying? For us, for the basketball lovers, we're the point guard. For my football lovers, we're the quarterback. Like, you know what I'm saying? We dictate the pace of the game. We dictate where the offense is going to go, how we're going to attack a situation, who's going to be involved, this and that. We pretty much the control center. And it's the same way with dealing with these women. Like, you know what I'm saying? And you got to be able to be patient and understand that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Most of y'all, a lot of y'all will get a girl's number. Like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all will meet a girl and instantly it's that spark. It's that vibe, that connection, all of that right away, on top of her being exactly what we look for physically in a girl. You know what I'm saying? So by nature, we get hype over that. Like, you know what I'm saying? You meet a dime and she's everything that you look for. That's going to be the first thing that's just what it is, man. Like, you just naturally going to want to connect with her on that level. Like, you just going to naturally want to talk to her as much as you can. Like, so what happens a lot of times is once we get a girl's number, a lot of cats, they'll be texting back and forth all day for the first few days of the first week, just constantly, she's in a text. Within 5 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, you sending a text, y'all texting all day. That kills any level of attraction. Like, you know what I'm saying? That kills everything. Like, it kills all the momentum. Because, like, you got to understand, girls get bored easily, man. Like, and when you texting and stuff like that, talking about what both of you two like and dislike and your interest and telling your life story and all of that, you don't leave anything left to be found out. Like, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing left for her to find out about you. So, in essence, all the excitement is gone. All the mystery is gone. You know what I'm saying? So with that, all the excitement and all of her interest goes too. Like, y'all have to understand, women by nature, not all of them, but a good majority of them, they get bored quick, man. That's just what it is. A lot of y'all can attest to having a situation where y'all saw a girl, met a girl, and you could tell just by how she interacts with you that she was feeling you. And within some days or a week, all of a sudden, texts are less frequent. Like, she's, less talkative or whatever. She's not as engaged in the conversations and things like that. Yeah, because she's bored. Like, you know what I'm saying? And y'all got to understand that. That's why I tell y'all to just take your time and be patient, man. Like, the best advice I can give you is invite a girl out. Like, you know what I'm saying? Invite her to go someplace fun and someplace that you particularly enjoy or whatever, and you would feel more comfortable that you can really enjoy yourself, have a good time, and show her a good time as well. You know what I'm saying? Do that, and then while you out with the girl, try and give her the best, you know, experience that you can give her, and just fall back. That's all you got to do. Take her out, show her a good time. You know what I'm saying? Be outgoing, be funny, be talkative, ask a lot of questions, just vibe with her. Like, you know what I'm saying? Be yourselves. And once you do that, once the date is over, that's it. You know, just fall back, wait for her to reach out to you. If she like you, she gonna hit you up. That's just what it is. Like, you know what I'm saying? But a lot of y'all have to know how to gauge and how to really maneuver. Like, you know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all press too much. Or like when things are going real good, you reach out to a girl too much, and you can't be doing that if you want a girl to continue to fuck with you. I mean, that's just what it is, man. Like, you gotta be able to be patient and just slow walk the situation. The last analogy I can give you is, you know, girls are a lot like a pot of water, you know, that needs to boil. And we're more like a faucet, a hot water. Like, you turn on a faucet of hot water, within 5, 10, 15 seconds, whatever the case is, that water is hot. Like, you know what I'm saying? Goes from cold to hot. That's what guys are when it comes down to our interest and attraction. It doesn't take us long. Like, you know what I'm saying? Girls are like a pot of water that has to boil. You know, a lot of times it takes 10 minutes, you know, anywhere from 10 to 20 to 30 minutes for a pot of water to boil, depending on how big the pot is. So you got to understand, either way, that's a long time, you know, that's a long time for something to heat up. You feel what I'm saying? And that's the same way a girl's interest level is. It really takes time for them. So you got to be patient, man. Like, you know, you can't expect to throw a couple of eggs or something that needs to be boiled in a pot of water that you just turned on. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's not how it works. You got to wait for the water to heat up, you know, and it's just like, that's what it is with girls. You just got to be patient, man. And I'm not going to keep rambling on, man. That's what I got for y'all today. Before y'all get out of here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my video. I'll be back with y'all real soon with some more. Until next time, peace and love.